we are looking at how to pronounce these names. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names that many mispronounce, including from, Jewish names and Hebrew names as well. So stay tuned to learn more. There are different pronunciations for these words depending on the origin or the language, the region, the accent. So let's break it down. Now, in the US, it's generally said as Levi. So if you're talking about the brand of jeans or clothing fashion, it's said as Levi's in the US at least. And, because it's an American brand. Anyhow, in other parts of the world, the name, whether it's a first name or a surname, is generally said as Levi. It's easy. So this is a biblical name. He was, according to the book of Genesis, the third of the 6 sons of Jacob and Leah. Levi or Levi, the 2 different ways of pronouncing this name. And now you know it all. I think. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.